This video will show how to use Moodle or Learning Management System in the Bright Brain Coding Academy and how a student will attend live classes without educators. Once we enroll a student in the Bright Brain portal, you will receive an email with the detailed information of Moodle account setup. Moodle username and password will be provided in that email. You need to change the password at the very first time you log in. For first login, use the link provided in the email. After you set up the Moodle account, you will be able to log in the portal through BrightBrain website. To attend live classes, first go to the BrightBrain website and then log in. In this page, you will see all the available courses. From this page, select your course and then log in with your username and password. Here, you will see all the details of your course, including the number of classes, the name of topics, and the assignments. You can also check your progress and your grade. For joining live classes with the educators, go to the live class under the video conference class and then click join session. It will directly take you to the classroom and you can always adjust your microphone and turn on your video. We always suggest a student to turn on their video. If your educator give you assignment, you can also check it here. For example, there is an assignment under the first topic. So click on there. You can see the due date of that assignment. Please submit your assignment before the due date. For submitting your assignment, click Add Submission and then upload your file and save changes. Teacher will automatically get your assignment. Your educator is responsible to certify your course completion status based on your progress.